Welcome to this short video. In this video, I'm going to show you five Earth business ideas for 2023. So I know you are watching this video right now. You want to make more money in 2023 and you are looking for ways to make the money. You want business ideas that you can actually work on in your 2023 plan that can fetch you money. So if that is you right now, stick around this video because I will show you five hot business idea that you can actually work on, and each of these business idea can give you up to 500,000 naira a month if you work on them. So the first one, okay, before we move to the first one, sorry, just comment business ideas in the comment section. If you are watching this video right now, type business idea and comment. It helps this video to reach more persons who actually needs them. So without further ado, let me show you the first business idea, and that is photography. So if you can actually take good pictures for people who needs them, you can actually make a decent amount of money. But this particular business idea, I think it will require a good phone, maybe Samsung, an iPhone, or a camera. So my photographer is one that do help me take pictures, and he charge 1,000 naira, sometimes 1,200 naira to take a single picture. So the scope of this is after taking the picture, is going to just do some little editing on a platform like Photoshop. I don't know how he does his editing, and it's going to send the picture to me on WhatsApp as JPEG, and I will use the picture for whatever I want to use it for. Many of the pictures that I use for my thumbnails were taken by him. So coming from this angle, you can actually help businesses take photos that they will upload online. You can help people take photos. You can go to birthday events. You can go to a lot of events and help people to take pictures. So and you charge based on numbers of pictures that you want to take. So let's say they don't even have to you don't have to be among the people they invite. They don't have to invite you before you actually go to some events. Just know that you have permission to go there because of embarrassment. So go there, and when you see people dressing, when you see people that actually need, you can even walk up to them. Hello, man. If you need someone to help you take your picture, I'm available. Don't be shy. I'm very, very confident that, and I'm very sure that you are going to see a lot of people that you take pictures for them, collect their WhatsApp number, make a little editing to the picture, and send it to them on WhatsApp. It is that simple. Just make sure that the picture is quality. And you know the good news about this particular business is that you start having customers. As for me, for the last 1 year, I have just a single person that I take pictures with. And anytime I call on him, I do take up to 5 to 10 pictures, which means on a minimum, I'm going to pay him 5,000 naira if we work together just once. And I'm not taking his time. In less than 30 minutes, we have took all of the picture. I will choose the one I want to choose and he will delete the rest. The same thing goes to you if you are doing this kind of business. You start having customers that will be for you, and anytime they need pictures, they call on you. Hello, we have events in so so place, and before you know what happen, you make decent amount of money. And the second business idea is dry cleaning. So these business ideas I will mention all through in this video are offline. If you want to know about the online one, just watch to the end. So the second one is dry cleaning. So if we are living in the era whereby everybody is getting lazy and we are getting busier than ever before. Most time I'm always on work, except for some time in the weekend that I decide not to work. And most especially the people that practice 9 to 5, that are doing 9 to 5, they barely have time. So if you can help people take good care of their suit, their clothes, or whatever kind of dress that they wear, you can actually make decent amount of money from this. In fact, you don't have to buy a washing machine to start. You don't have to buy a washing machine to start. It's something that you can wash their clothes with decent soap, iron it, and makes it look good. From there, you gather money to buy your washing machine, and that's it. So you can actually start this. Maybe you are a student with friends. If you are in school, you have a lot of friends that are actually lazy. Start from there. Start from there. And the good news is somebody will tell somebody. As far as you are making your customer happy, tell them to refer you to some of their friends, some of their family members. If you are in church, tell people that are in church. And before you know what's happened, you start getting free customers. And from there, you are going to scale it up. So dry cleaning is a great business idea that you can start with zero, like absolutely almost zero naira or $0, because you can wash their clothes with your hand, even if you don't have a washing machine yet, and help them to iron it if it actually skills. And the third business idea is event planning. You can actually help people to plan their events and how it should be. For this kind of person like myself, for the kind of person like myself, I hate it when I'm the one being in charge of everything. So most time I want that person that can actually come through and I will tell you what to do. Help me to plan social event. How many, what are the things that we need, this and that. This is a great business idea because it's like an high ticket business idea. People can pay you just for a single event. They can pay you 100,000 naira depending on the people you are charging, depending on location and lot more. So and this is the fourth business idea, and that is interior designs. Everyone want their home to look good. You can actually make interior design, but I think these interior designs will need you to go learn it. I don't know, but it's also a business idea that is great too. And this is the last one, and that is small shops and catering. So this small shops and catering is, let me, I don't want to say it's the best among all, but I'm talking from experience because my mom does small chops and she's also a caterer. So she do collect her projects like contract based on numbers of people that will be served the small chops, based on numbers of plates of foods and lots more, stuff like that. And those kind of food that they actually want to make for the event. So this is a great business idea. Though she learned it, but I think you can actually start from there too. Within a month, you can become a small chop expert. Someone that make all these small kind of snacks, samosa, I don't know if I pronounce all of these things the right way. Samosa, springs roll, pop all those small snacks for party before the real food comes in. And within a month, you can learn this. You know, the funniest part is if you are the one in charge of everything, you know how much you are going to make at the end of the month. People can pay you 100,000 naira for your own work, depending on where you live. For instance, if you are collecting jobs like this in Osun State, trenches part of Osun State, they might be paying you 50,000, 100,000. And if you are collecting this kind of work in places like Island in Lagos, you know, your pay is different. If you are collecting this kind of job in somewhere like Canada, can you see that your pay is different? So it depends on the location, but this is a great business idea. And other ones that I've recommended too. In case you probably need to learn it, they have short span of learning, so you don't have to spend years of learning. If you are very serious with it, it's something that within 1 month you are done learning, and you can actually start from somewhere. The dry cleaning is the simplest part of all because very easy, very easy. The dry cleaning is very easy. You don't need to, I don't think you need to go to school before you know how to wash clothes. Lol. So that's it, guys. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification. But before you leave, in case you're not interested in any of this business idea and probably you want online business, because I work online, I make 90% of my money online. If you are looking for online business idea, just at the right side of this video, you will see a video there that I recommend. Click on it and watch it. You are going to see 5 online business ideas that you can start in 2023. And that's it. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the online business idea video.